students, I will teach you the second type of respiration, that is internal respiration, that takes place at the cell level, so known as cellular respiration also. When it is very easy, it's not that difficult to understand. However, when you when I will explain this topic to you, I would come across a, a term, that is ATP. This is one term which might be a little bit difficult for many students. So before I start explaining internal respiration, let me tell you a little about ATP. Full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Okay, now this term you have already come across during studying the chapter of cell. Okay, ATP. Now what is ATP? It is not an atom bomb. It sounds like atom bomb, right? ATP, but it is not atom bomb. But yes, it is definitely energy. Okay, it is that chemical energy which I always talk of, that our body moves because the chemical energy from our food gets converted into mechanical energy, right? I always say that to you while teaching science last year. I always said that our body moves as the chemical energy gets converted into mechanical energy, and hence we are able to do any work. Now, where do we get this chemical energy from? We get the chemical energy from food. And what is this chemical energy? This chemical energy is nothing but is in our body in the form of ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. It is like other matters, it is available in the form of molecules. Like other matter, it is also available in the form of molecules. So students, when I come across this term ATP, 1 ATP, 2 ATP, 38 ATP, don't get confused. I'm talking about number of ATP molecules. Okay. So what is internal respiration? Internal respiration is a biochemical process that involves the oxidation of glucose. What is oxidation of glucose? Oxidation of glucose is nothing but oxygen acting on glucose. When oxygen acts on glucose, that is called oxidation of glucose. And when oxygen acts on glucose, it gives out energy. And energy, it gives out energy. And energy is the good thing. But there is a waste product, that is carbon dioxide, and there is one byproduct, that is water. Okay, so this is what is internal respiration, or at cellular level. This is what happens. Glucose, that is food, broken down food, is acted upon by oxygen to give out carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Okay. Now, types of respiration are of further depending on whether we have got oxygen, proper oxygen or not. Now you see, for respiration, main thing we need is oxygen acting on glucose. So the type depending on how much oxygen is available, respiration are again of two types: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, when you have got lot of oxygen is enough. Normally, we are breathing in, breathing out, oxygen is normal. So at this level, what happens? Glucose, that is C6H12O6, is acted upon by oxygen, 6 molecules of oxygen, to give out 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water plus 38 molecules of ATP. So what is this 38 molecules of ATP? It is energy. However, in an anaerobic respiration, what happens? Oxygen is not enough. We have got less amount of oxygen. So in this case, what happens, students? Glucose, this is the formula of glucose, okay, gets oxidized to form 2 molecules of ethyl alcohol. This is the formula of ethyl alcohol, which in common term we say toxic. Okay, toxin we say. In our body we have got lot of toxin accumulated. Toxin is nothing but ethyl alcohol plus 2 molecules of carbon dioxide plus only 2 molecules of ATP. That is energy, which is very less. So when does this take place? Generally, like when we are exercising a lot, when we are running, jumping, doing karate, swimming, when muscles needs lot of oxygen, but that much of oxygen is not available. We cannot supply that amount of oxygen at random level, and we are just breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. So that time, what happens? Anaerobic respiration takes place in presence of very less amount of oxygen, and toxin gets accumulated in our body in the form of ethyl alcohol, and sometimes we sweat and we give out the toxins, sweat, and we need to drink a lot of water to urinate out the toxins. Okay, and energy we need but very less, so we get very tired after exercising, right? So these are the 2 types of respirations depending on whether it is oxygen is available in ample to us or we have got less oxygen. So that's it, students. Go through page number 51 and 52 thoroughly, and then answer module 1, module 2, module 3. I have sent, and you take your time because I'm not going to discuss the answers right away. After finishing the lesson, I will discuss. So take 2, 3, 4 days. You have got time till next Thursday to complete your work and send it to me. Okay? Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.